Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, we have completed chapter 6 in Bista's book. Now we are going to start last chapter of your syllabus from the same book, Bistas, or it is chapter number 7. Chapter number 7 is Evans, Tries and O-level. This particular chapter, Evans, Tries and O-level, was written by one of the great writer of English literature, or his name was Colin Dexter. Colin Dexter was born on 29 September 1930 at Stamford in United Kingdom. He was an English crime writer known for his Inspector Morse, a series of novels which he has written between 1975 to 1999. Dear students, this particular writer is famous for writing novels on basis about criminal activities, about criminals. Or one thing I want to tell you, dear children, that this particular novelist, this particular writer has written many novels related to crime and related to the life of criminals. Ultimately, he died on 21st March 2017 at Oxford in England. So this was all about Colin Dexter. Now we should discuss about this lesson, Evans, Tries and O-level. Here the central character is Evans. Or Evans is a notorious gangster, a well-known criminal, or he is known as jailbreaker. But before starting this lesson, dear students, one question is given: should criminals in prison be given the opportunity of learning and education? Because we know that education changes the behavior of person. Education changes the nature of person. Or if that particular person is involved in any criminal activity, so through education we can change his mood and mind. This is only the way to reform that criminal. So criminals must be educated, must be given opportunity of learning and getting education. In this lesson we will also discuss that how a criminal, how a notorious gangster Evans gets chance of learning, but how he misuses that opportunity, or how he makes foolish to the system, to the administration, we will discuss in this story, dear students. We will discuss about this central character Evans. So first of all, I want to tell you about the characters of this lesson. We have to know about them. Or the first character is the Secretary of Examination Board, who is responsible for conducting the examination. Second is the Governor of HM Prison, jail of or jailer of HM Prison, Oxford, a strict jailer officer. Our third and most important character is James Evans, a prisoner. Around him the whole story rotates. Our next one is Mr. Jackson, a senior prison officer. And next one is Reverend McLeary, an invigilator, or Mr. Carter, detective superintendent, and Mr. Bell, detective chief inspector. So these are the important characters. One more character is there, Mr. Stephens, a prison officer. Dear students, we have to discuss in this lesson about these characters, but most importantly we have to discuss about James Evans, a prisoner. Actually, dear students, in this story, the notorious gangster Mr. James Evans, he desires for doing O-level course, or he tells his desire, he tells his wish to the Secretary of Examination Board, the Governor of HM Prison, who is the head of that prison, HM Prison, jailer of HM Prison. He tells his wish to this Governor of HM Prison that he wants to do O-level course. As we know that getting education is a basic right of every citizen. So on the basis of that, the governor or jailer of HM Prison, he makes consult to the Secretary of Examination Board कि whether this course and this examination for that notorious gangster Evans was possible or not. He makes contact to the Secretary of Examination Board, or Secretary of Examination Board gives him positive response that this thing can happen or the examination can be conducted. But when Governor of HM Prison Oxford, he tells that James Evans was not a normal prisoner, he was a notorious gangster, or there was a risk to take him out, then finally the Secretary of Examination Board, he agrees to conduct the examination in the cell of Mr. James Evans, in the same prison, under the supervision of Governor of HM Prison and under the invigilation of Reverend S. McLeary, an invigilator who was appointed to invigilate, to observe Mr. James Evans during his examination. So this process of learning started, education or O-level started, dear students. Or finally I want to tell you कि even dear children, German O level classes started and the teacher were coming to give him coaching and give him to teach Mr. Evans. This process started and filling the form and all the formalities were completed. Or finally, at the day of examination, a special arrangement was made by governor of HM prison. He has given a special attention on that day on Mr. James Evans. All suspected items were taken out from the cell of Mr. James Evans. Even one razor was given for the saving, to save his beard, long beard. That razor was given, but after some time it was also taken. Or two special officer, one Mr. Jackson, senior prison officer, or second Mr. Stephens, a newly recruited prison officer. They were given duty to observe Mr. James Evans. Not only this much, one invigilator was also appointed, Mr. Reverend S. McLeary, on the day of examination by examination board, by the secretary of examination board. Dear students, so all these arrangements was made only for this criminal, this gangster, this jailbreaker, Mr. James Evans, who has many times cheated and deceived the jail authority, and many times he was successful from escaping from the jail, or this time he was also making the same strategy. He was planning that how to escape from the jail. All these things were only and only to suppose escape from the jails. Or on the day of examination, Mr. McLeary, who was appointed as an invigilator, he reached to the HM prison in one of the car, or finally he was received by governor of HM prison. Or after that, dear children, he stayed for some time in the office of governor of HM prison, or then he was escorted by Mr. Jackson and Mr. Stephens. Or he reached to the cell of Mr. James Evans. There special arrangements were made. Table and chair and microphone was also adjusted there, so that the HM prison governor can observe the situation closely. So all these devices were assembled there to observe Mr. Evans. Or dear students, or one officer was outside of the cell, or one was inside. But he objected that nobody should be inside except the invigilator. Or HM prison governor was listening this thing, their conversation, or finally he allowed that prison officer to come out. Even he took out his hat also, lucky hat. Mr. James Evans wore his lucky hat also at that time. Our dear students, finally the prison officer came out and only the two persons were inside, Mr. Reverend McLeary, invigilator of his exam, or second was the second was Mr. James Evans. Or time to time the prison officers were observing what they were doing, or everything was going on well according to their expectation, according to their planning. The examination was going on smoothly, or he was writing something. But at the meantime, dear students, in the middle of examination, dear students, one correction was there in the question paper, or that one phone was received by the governor of HM prison, or he directly connected that phone to the cell of Evans, or in that correction, dear students, some questions were correct, suppose incorrect, and that was corrected. But actually it was not the correction, it was the trick and dirty trick of Mr. McClary to escape from the jail. But the jail authority could not understand. And finally, dear students, James Evans was slowly reaching to his objective, and finally he succeeded in escaping from the jail. Or how Mr. James Evans tried to escape from the jail, and the invigilator who came inside the jail, that actually he was not the real McClary, he was the man of Mr. Evans. Or with the help of that, Evans changed his uniform, or finally when the exam was over, the security officer escorted him to the jail gate, or when they returned back, they tried to suppose point out whether Mr. Evans was in the cell or not. But when they reached, they found that Evans was badly in that Evans was not there, but in form of Evans there was McClary. So they observed that Evans was not in the cell, but in place of him McClary was there. Or they were confused. Before some minutes only they left Mr. McClary, and after coming to the cell